decided to go kayaking. I'm out here on Moccasin Creek and we'll do a little bit of fishing and some mushroom hunting, and I just found me a nice little batch of oyster mushrooms over here on these trees. I'll give you a little shot of them. I'm going to go ahead and harvest them. Last weekend I was out and we got about maybe 2 pounds of them, and we went through basically half of them, so I got about a pound here. I'm going to go ahead and grab these suckers. I'll give you a nice little shot of them. There they are, right there on that tree, just hanging there nice and pretty, waiting for somebody to come by and grab them up. There we go. Another cool thing I found over here is I ain't never been back this far on Moccasin Creek, but I just ran into a dam back here. Give you a little shot of that. I'm at the end of the creek right now, and it's just dammed up right here, so I might get out and explore this. I think it's swampland on the other side, but I ain't been back there, and I want to get out and check it out. So when I do, I'll give you all a shot of that. Explore it with me. Be back with you. Starting to poke out right there. Real moist right there. They just came up. These other ones are kind of dried out a little bit over here. So I'm going to put these right here and get out of here. If I see any more, I want to go ahead and get them, because what I've been doing is I cut them up, got all the dirt off of them, and put them in a vacuum seal and put them in the freezer and froze them. Alright guys, I beached the canoe and jumped over here, and I'm checking out the dam. So, give you guys a shot of it. Looks like somebody's been out here duck hunting before or something. Little duck decoy out there. There's the beaver nest way over there. Wow, that's pretty cool. I ain't never been back here. I didn't even know this was back here. Maybe one day I'll jump the dam and get over there and explore in there and try to do some fishing. Alright guys, I made it back in the canoe. I'm right here at the mushrooms, and I'm just going to go ahead and start picking these bad boys. Got me a little hatch down here I can put them in. That's what I did last time. Last week they were really moist. This week they're kind of dried out. So them rains last week probably made these bad boys pop up. And if I don't harvest them right now, they're going to get hard on us. Be too tough to eat. We don't want that. Yesterday I made a big old pot of chili and put them in there, and they were pretty good. Oh Lord. Stick with it. Cool. Go ahead and try one for you guys. kind of tough, but they be alright. Pretty good. Got a couple of them up here kind of high. 2 more. There's a big. Ooh. Big patch up here. Lord. About 2 or 3 more of them. I'll be set. Two babies. I think I got all I can get, so I'm gonna go over here and pick up my fishing rods and do a little bit more fishing. And maybe if I run into some more mushrooms, I'll pick them or show you guys them. And you can get out right now, and especially in North Carolina, them oyster mushrooms are really starting to bloom after all the rains we had. I found, that's a live tree, but I found some on dead trees and live trees. One way to tell an oyster mushroom is see the gills right here? The gills will run all the way down to the base of the stem. And compare them and research them and make sure you're eating something healthy or something that's good for you. It's not poisonous, but say about 90% of mushrooms are poisonous. That's what I heard, and you gotta know what you're doing. I've been doing it for about 3 or 4 years, and just this year is where I started feeling confident that I can identify them and harvest them and go ahead and eat them. And it's been working out. If you're into it, it's a good little hobby. So we're going to get back downriver and see what we can find. Found a bobber. Lord. Bobber. Got another bobber coming up. Looks like I found me another batch of mushrooms under this log over here. Anyhow, and one right there. Get over there and get them. I guess I went about a quarter mile before I spotted some more, but I'll take these too. Score. I got another bobber over here. See if I can get it. Current's moving pretty good, so I might have to fight to get out of here. I think I got it. That's a nice one. Just spotted me some more mushrooms sure on shore though. I might go ahead and jump out of the canoe and or the kayak. See if I can get them, especially these ones that I see over here. It looks like there's 2 different species of mushrooms. I'll check them back out, but I want to get out here to the mouth of the reservoir and check this out. I ain't been out here this far. I'm coming up on it though. Making my way out. Gotta be at least a mile in now, so sun's starting to go down. Just scared up a bunch of ducks, a bunch of mallards. Didn't get them on camera though. Snuck up on them. They kind of scared me when they took off. See if I get out here to the mouth, get you all a shot of this reservoir out here. There's a cool shot of a duck. I guess it's a duck pond. The birds are down here about 1/8 of a mile. Looks like a what do they call them? Some kind of seabird or something. Seagulls. I lose weight. I'll have to fight this current back. Alright guys, I made it on shore and show you these other batches of oyster mushrooms that I found. Nice chunk of them right there. Got a bunch more over here growing on this log. Big ones down there. Nice ones right here. Got another batch over here that I found. Beached the canoe or the kayak. I don't know why I keep on calling it a canoe, but it's a kayak. It's pretty hard to get out of when you need to get on land. These white ones are just old, looks like some kind of polypore, but they're old, dried up. But got another batch of oyster mushrooms right here. Cool. Ran into a deer. I spooked him. He started crashing through the woods. I didn't get a glimpse of him, but I heard him. He was booking it out of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these guys up and head on back to the bridge. Nice little stash of them down in there. Put it down in there. Get back on the water. See if I find any more. I think there's another batch around the bend down there, so I'm gonna go down there and see if I can get out and get them too. Well, go ahead and see if I can find me a new way to launch this kayak. I got it pointing into the water, and I'm on a kind of like the bank. I'm gonna try to push off and jump into the water. Oh God. Before, so it worked. I'm off. Looks like I just spotted a beaver. See if I can catch up to him. He's coming through them bushes right there. You guys see him swimming? There he goes. He just went under. There's 2 of them. Looks like they're heading for their den. Just found me some trash out here in Mossman Creek. What this is an old Clorox jug or something like that. I'm going to go ahead and take it back with me and get it out of here, but what is attached to it is a piece of line where somebody was jugging for catfish or something like that, but on the end of it, it has a hook and a string. They just put a piece of bait on there and then throw it out, put a glow stick on it or something like that. Wait for it to start bobbing up and down, and they go after it and catch them some catfish or something like that. So I just found it up here in the weeds, and I want to get it out of here for the just the environment. And you don't want no Mr. Beaver coming by getting stuck on that hook, carrying around a Clorox jug around for the rest of his life. So. Alright everybody, I got plenty of mushrooms, but I just found another batch and way up here on the bank, but I got a long stick that I can get a nice little shot of them. Like I said, I got about 2 pounds already, so I'm just going to let you all guys see them, and I'm going to go on down here and try to bank this thing. I already got about like 2 pounds of oyster mushrooms, and I just wanted you guys to see that batch growing there. I want to leave them be for the squirrels and the beavers to come along and maybe eat them or have a nice little snack, or maybe a deer or something like that. So I got me enough, so just wanted you guys to see them. And I got another batch over here that I want to try to get up and check out. There they are. Nice shot of them. And when I get up there, I got a beast of kayak, but I want to get up there and check them out and get a picture of them. Stick with me. Alright guys, I made it on shore, and I beached a kayak. I keep on calling it a canoe, but it's a challenge. If y'all want to get a kayak, they're a lot of fun, but if you want to get to shore and explore around, especially on these high banks like this, it's a pretty good challenge on trying to get up on shore. And the mushrooms are right over here. I gotta travel through these woods a little bit and get over here and check them out, but we'll see if we can make our way over there. Some nice stickers. Whew. Alright, where they go at? There they are. Oh, that's that one batch that I got a shot of. I believe that other batch is right around here somewhere. Wow. Ow. There they are. That's that first batch that I found. That second batch is over here growing on a live tree. That one looks like it might be alive, but it's kind of dead to me. All falling down and stuff. There they are. They're nice. Check them out. Bad boys. They're a little firm, but they ain't too firm. They're just right, I believe. It ain't rained in the last few days, so the ones I harvested last week they were real mushy, but these are kind of firm. I think they're just right, perfect size. I want to go ahead. I might go ahead and pick these nice little batch of young ones and get back in the kayak and get my butt out of here. I got me one last bobber find for the day. Just found that little. Alright everybody, I made it back to the truck and I got the kayak all loaded up and get ready to get out of here. It was a good day finding mushrooms. I did a little bit of fishing, but nothing was biting, so got to keep on trying fishing. It's always good to catch a nice bass or something like that. Here's the mushrooms that we got. I say we got about 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds. Check them out. There's the jug right there that I promised y'all that I would take out of the woods. Got it all wrapped up. I'll take that home and put it in the recycle bin. And yep, I'm all loaded up and I'm ready to get out of here. I want to go home and clean these mushrooms up and freeze them again, I guess, and make some good meals out of them. So I had a good day out there. Nice little adventure mushroom hunting, and I appreciate it if y'all guys would like the video and maybe subscribe to our channel, Arrowhead Adventures and Treasures. This is Billy and I'm signing out. Thanks for watching.